first presentation, my best friend since childhood. English 11.1. My name is Cindy Paola Garces de Arco. My teachers, Nelva Valdez. His name is Álvaro Alberto Zabaleta Fuente. He is 36 years old and he is my best friend. He is Colombian like me. He is from Cartagena and he loves our city. He spent her childhood and adolescence in the San Francisco neighborhood and currently live in the Carioca condominium. He is English teacher. He loves to dance. His favorite music is salsa. He loves to travel and he loves the Colombian food. He is very generous. He is like honest people. He hates lies. His favorite beers is the Corona. This is my friend Alvaro, and thank you for your attention.